Alright, 2008 Kia Sedona. We're gonna replace the front brake pad and rotor for this car. Okay, let's do it. Mostly lug nuts are 21 mm. I think this is number 14. Yep, number 14. Let's move both of them. All right. Let's put it on here. Nice. Let's remove the pad. Oh my god. Look at that. It's done. Then we're gonna remove this caliper bracket. Right, let's do it. What? I'm gonna use my power tools. Hold on. Let's hang this for the meantime. Right here. Okay. Now, this is my swivel. Right. One. Second one, and that's your bracket. So there is lock washer. Okay, there is a Philip screw in here, so we're using this. And then let's just stop it. I need space. Uh-oh. Oh my god. Hold on. Aerial. Oh, there you go. Use this metal hammer. This one is the rubber one. It bounces. There you go. remove this. Wow, it's already old one. Right, let's clean it up. It's not that bad. Now let's put anti-seize. That's it. And let's put the new rotor. Right, the new rotor. Let's put this lock. Phillips screw lock. Right, then before you install this, clean it, remove this shim, put a new shim. And this one, sliding pin. Oh, this tool can just add silicone paste. Still have more silicone paste right there. Just add it. Same with this other one, but this one is a little bit dry, so let's clean it. Now put some silicone paste. There we go. Nice. All right. Good. Good. Right, let's put back the bracket. So this one, so we can put some thread lock. Second one. All right. Now let's tighten it. Then let's torque it. I think this is, we can torque it with 100 foot-pounds. I don't know what's the torque out spec, but most of the time 100 foot-pounds is the torque average for this. Okay, there you go. We did this extension. Yes. There you go. Nice. Now let's put the new shim or the hardware. Let's see. I think they are similar, so it doesn't matter which is which. Oh yeah. Okay. Perfect. Nice. Perfect. Now, pads. So we're using Wagner, one of the best brand. Okay, and then let's put a silicone paste on the contact point. Come on, baby. There we go. Nice. Perfect. Nice at the back. Alright, that was fast. Double check. Touching anything? Nope. Okay. Now the caliper. So the caliper, we got a pressed caliper, and we're using my lung. Look at that. Press all the way. Then, first, let's clean it a little bit. Alright. It dries so fast. Now, let's put again some silicone paste on the contact point. You see it? That brake cleaner dries quickly. Alright, perfect. Now let's put it on. Let's put it on. Wow. Ooh. Wow, it fits perfectly. Then 2 bolts, put some thread lock. I'm using Permatex thread locker. Alright. That's it. And just tighten it. Alright. The one at the bottom. Okay. Alright. Okay. Nice. Oh, it's light. It's perfect. Alright, guys. That's it. That's how you replace the brake pad in a rotor for 2008 Kia Sedona. It's a quick and fast, replacement. It's straightforward. So if you had any question about this video, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.